For some time, Siemens NX has included the planar milling ZigZag operation. So far, we have not taken a closer look at this operation in our quick tips. Today, that changes. We will take a look at what this type of operation is particularly useful for and which settings I personally prefer. I'm Heinrich Pflaum, and I welcome you to our new quick tip from JANUS Engineering.
Yes, thank you, Heinrich, for the introductory remarks. I'll take the reins here for once today. Our goal here is to surface mill this specific area, and for that, we're using a tool with a diameter that's just slightly wider than the actual surface itself, so we can cover the whole surface in one pass. With base wall milling, we always had the issue, I could say, just run it once centered across the surface, but it always approached from one side, moved across, lifted up, returned to the start, and made its next cut there, basically like it's doing here now. That means it always approaches from the side, always exits from the side, and in between it always lifts up to the safety level. I'd rather not have that, and neither would our customers, so that's why we're showing in this tip how it's done, allowing us to make cuts on every side without unnecessary movements. So I'll go into my operation and adjust the settings accordingly. And here in the main screen we see the path type single path, which we already know from the floor wall operation in planar milling. And here there's another setting we find in the strategy, and that's the cutting order between levels, which is set to maintain. That's how we get exactly this path out of it, that it starts on one side and exits on the other. But here there's another option, alternate cutting direction. With this we can adjust it like so, that it always starts on one side. Comma moves over to the other side, completes the cut on that side and then moves back again. So that with each chip, with each back and forth pass, we essentially complete one milling path. So that was basically the tip, and I'm handing it back over to Heinrich in the studio. Heinrich, it's your part.
Did you already know about the alternative cutting sequences? And if so, how much milling time have they already saved you? Please do let us know in the comments below, if you would be so kind. If you didn't know the operation before, we're really glad we could make your life a little bit easier. Finally, a quick friendly little reminder, please subscribe to our channel and hit the YouTube bell so you're always notified whenever a new video drops. See you again next time. Bye for now.
Let's make it real. JANUS Engineering.